How to share video on X without retweeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you want to share a video without retweeting, then I have a trick for you. Let's dive right in. Open up the X app and then find the video that you want to share. Then go to the share icon on the right hand side at the bottom of the video and then tap on copy link. Now you need to go to your Notes app, open it up, and then just copy the link here, press and hold, hit paste. Now what you need to do is you need to delete everything after the question mark. Now you need to put in a slash video slash one, copy the link again, and then go to Twitter again, open it up, and you need to come back, go to the plus icon in the bottom right hand side, and then just paste the link. So it'll look like this. You can even add a comment if you want to and then post. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.